Yesterday, we learned all about React Router. So seems like we should have some routes in NoteHerder. But to create an apple pie from scratch, you must first create the universe. So we can't start using React Router until we have React Router. And you can't make routes until you have React Router. So let's add it to our project. Yarn add React-router-DOM, right? Specifically the web version. React Router DOM. What does that do? It downloads React Router, puts it in our node modules folder, and it adds it to package.json, right? React Router DOM right there. So that's what it does. Yep, yarn add to add a new package. npm install works too, but it's slow. So add React Router. I'll go ahead and commit that much. Now we need to use it. And we learned all about that yesterday. What do we need to change here? Let's import it first of all. So I'll add another import up here. Import, and let's import browser router as router, because I don't want to have to type browser router again, from React Router DOM. So I could say just import browser router, and then I would use browser router down below. And so what I want to do is change my render statement down here. So instead of just returning app, I'm going to wrap that in router. Now, if I had not said as router, I would just type browser router down here. Same thing. This time, though, okay, let's have a look at what this does for us. Let's look at our dev tools. Let's look at our React dev tools. Let's find app. Now, app does not have those props, history, location, and match, that we know we get whenever we use React Router. But what if we had a route to it? Let's go ahead and import route as well from React Router DOM. And instead of just putting app in there with JSX, what if we put a route with no path that just says component app? So it's a route to the app component without any path. So it's just always going to hit it. What earthly good does that do us? If we look at app now, app does have history, location, and match, those props that React Router adds. So now I can use those things if I need to programmatically mess with my history inside app. I can do it because it is now using React Router. Not much to it. But now we're using React Router. So add a route for app. So it is. So how about routes for sign in and main?